Imagine you are on the most magnificent cruise ship in the world. It won't sink just because of one big wave. But imagine if one bolt comes loose. Just one, at the very bottom of the ship that you never see. Water starts pouring in, drop by drop. No alarm sounds. You can still dance on the upper deck, eat delicious food, and feel like everything's fine. This is a bad habit. It doesn't come with a bang, but with a smooth leak. Putting off work today, eating carelessly this afternoon, or letting a single negative thought settle in your head. That's water entering your boat's hull. You feel safe because your boat is still floating, but down below, the weight of the water is getting heavier. At some point, your boat loses its balance, and by then, it's too late to patch it up. Now, what about good habits? Don't think of it as a tiring mountain climb. Think of it as stacking dominoes. The first day, you only stack one small domino. No one applauds. The second day, another one. Seems pointless, right? But in physics, every domino that falls can knock over another domino 1.5 times its size. If you're consistent, the 57th domino will be big enough to knock over a skyscraper. The problem is, we often stop at the third domino because we haven't seen any buildings fall. We don't realize that every micro-winning we do is building kinetic energy that will one day explode into extraordinary change. Success isn't about the force of the impact, but about momentum. Why would we rather let our ship leak than stack dominoes? Because psychologically, our brains are cowards disguised as guardians. Our brains perceive change, no matter how good, as destructive. We're more comfortable sinking slowly in a familiar boat than swimming to a new island we've never been to. We lock ourselves into destructive routines simply because the exit feels unfamiliar and frightening. There's no life without burdens. You just have to choose which burden you're willing to carry. 1. The burden of discipline that weighs only a few grams today. 2. Or the burden of regret that weighs tons in the future. Don't wait for the water to reach your neck. Patch your smallest leak today. Knock over your first domino now. Because life doesn't care how big your dreams are. It only cares about what you do when no one is watching.